Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is AbsolutelySha. Welcome to my channel. By the title of this video, you know that I am going to do my winter unboxing of Fab Fit Fun. So if you are unfamiliar with Fab Fit Fun, it's a seasonal subscription service. They send you a ton of goodies, and I like to make videos where I show and share with you all everything that I receive. So make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so that each and every time I upload a new video, you will be the first to be notified. And let's get into this video and let's see what amazing things I got for my winter FabFitFun box. All right, so I am super excited because I absolutely love my Fab Fit Fun boxes. I always get amazing things. You do have the option sometimes before the new box comes out, not sometimes, you have the option where you can select certain items that you want to receive. For the life of me, I can't remember if I did that or not, but nonetheless, I'm always excited to see what I receive because they send amazing things, full size things they send also. All right, so let's go ahead and let's see if we can get into what I received. So I'm going to open it this way so that you can see what I got. So in each box, they send you a magazine, and inside the magazine, it has nice articles, and then it also tells you what's in your box. So I'll be referencing this so I can tell you what it is I received and also what the retail value of it is. So these are all the possible items that you could receive in your box. So I am going to keep the page opened up right there so that I can reference back and forth to what it is that I received. Also, they send you, so this is a coupon that I can send to someone where they get $15 off their first Fab Fit Fun box. There is an HBO Max 14-day subscription. I wish I would have known about this before. I signed up for HBO Max, and here it is. I could have gotten a 14-day free trial. Let's see, what else? They always send you a HelloFresh coupon code. And what else is there? Okay, so I also have a FabFitFun winter sticker. And it says a gift for you. So let's open it and let's see what's inside. Oh, looks like there's something else. Okay, so here is a scratch off. This is from Bright Cellars. I think it's wine. It is. Half full or half empty, there's always room for more wine. So I have a little card here and a scratch off, which I most definitely will scratch off to see what I get for some dollars off of some wine. So they always send you like little goodies like that in addition to like the main items that are in the box. So I'm just gonna pull things out and then I will reference the magazine to see what it is. So this is Boutique Beauty Guardian Angel Revitalizing Eye Gels. So this is that. And so this is basically, it says if you're tired and overworked eyes that seen too many late nights, these are eye gel masks that you can put on. And the retail value for this is the retail value of this is $25. So is hyaluronic acid infused eye gels. So yeah, it has plastic on it. I don't know if you guys want me to open it so you can have a look at what it actually looks like, but I feel like I don't want to take up too much time in this video trying to open this. But these are eye gel masks, okay? So I have that. I'm just gonna get this big item out the way because I'm just super curious to know what it is. So it's Lily Pulsar ceramic mugs set of 2. Oh my gosh. This is like having an early Christmas. I swear it is. Oh my goodness. I love Lily Pulsar. I love like their branding and packaging. Look how cute that card is. Oh my goodness. I'm super excited. All right, let's see. Now, I don't know if I think I selected these, if I'm not mistaken. I think this was something that I chose. But like I said, you do it in advance, so by the time I get the box, I forget. Look how cute these. Oh my God, look at this. Look at this. And then in the inside, look, it has the lily in the inside. So cute. So freaking cute. Is this not cute? Oh my gosh. And I got 2 of these. 2 of them. Oh my gosh. That is so cute. So cute. Okay. So I got 2 of those, and that is the Lily Pulsar ceramic mugs. Let's see what the retail value of that is. Oh my goodness. So the retail value of that is $42. So the Lily Pulsar ceramic mug set of 2, $42. I love those. Those are absolutely adorable. Okay, this is Paradox Los Angeles Lucky Stars Blemish patches. I'm curious to see what this looks like. Blemish packets. Let's see. Oh, it literally looks like what this looks like on the front cover. That's exactly what it is. Let me take it out so I can show you guys what it is. Oops. So yeah, so these are the blemish patches. So let me tell you what the retail value of this is and how would you use these. So it says cleanse and completely dry the skin before applying. Peel a patch from the sheet and apply it to cover the blemish. Leave on for at least 1 hour or overnight. For best results, use 6 hours or more. Nice. So it says it has natural ingredients that team up to suck out impurities, smooth skin, and reduce the potential for scarring so you can shine like the star you are. Nice. So let's see what the retail value of this is. So the retail value of the blemish patches is $18. And if I didn't say, this is by Paradox Lucky Stars. So this is $18. So that's my 3rd item. And I have Dr. Brand. I love this brand. You see this? Pore Purifying Cleanser. So this is a cleanser, Dr. Brand cleanser. And the retail value of that is $58. So the retail value of this is $58. I love that brand. I really, really do. It's a really good brand. This is a daily facial dry brush. Nice. Do you guys see that? So let's see. We can open it. Where's my scissors? Here they are. Oops. Okay. And I'm curious to see. Oh, so this is the brush. This is a facial brush. And the retail value of the facial brush is $20. So you use the dry brush on your forehead, nose, chin, cheeks, and neck to stimulate pathways and reduce puffiness. I have to try this out. The bristles are super, super soft. So yeah, this is a facial brush. And this is by Daily Concepts. So that's awesome. I like that. So how many items did I do so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's my 5th item. Okay, now I have, Kate Spade. I love Kate Spade, just to let y'all know. Like, I love Kate Spade. Okay, let's see. What did I receive? Oh my goodness. Oh, these are beautiful. This is what I received, some studs, pearl set. And I'm pretty sure the top one is probably like cubic zirconia. All right, let's see. Oh, and it has a cute little storing pouch to put them in. Super cute. Oh my gosh, I love these. I'm totally going to I'll probably wear these on Christmas. So cute. Okay, let's see what the retail value of those beautiful Kate Spade stud earrings are. They are so cute. I don't know if that's something that I selected in advance also. The retail value of those is $68. So it's called the Rise and Shine Stud Earrings. $68. Love those. Those are super, super cute. And let's see, I have probiotic skincare. This is by Tula Skincare. It's a glow and fit cooling and brightening eye balm is what this is. Let's open this up. This is what the packaging of it looks like. And this is that. And this is the balm. So let's see what the oh, I always smell things. It doesn't really have a scent to it. Okay, so let's see how much the eye balm is. So the retail value of the retail value of this is $30. So it awakens the under eye area, or you can use it as a highlighter on your cheekbones, and Cupid's bow for an instant glow. So yeah, so I have that. And there's still more things in here, guys. Let's open up this one. This is a liquid eyeliner by Aesthetica, and this is the color Black. And let's see. This is a liquid liner. A liquid liner I'm not all that great with, and I do use it because when I wear my magnetic lashes, they have a liquid magnetic eyeliner that you have to use, but this is the tip. Oops, let me see. Look at me. Crazy. This is what the tip of it is. But I guess I just need to practice. I really do need to practice. Okay, let's see what the retail value of the liquid eyeliner is. So the retail value of this is $21. $21. And the last thing is they gave me a kind bar. And these are actually good. I actually like these. This is the dark chocolate nuts and sea salt one. These are good. I don't know if this was just a treat or if this was literally part of the box. I have a feeling they just threw that in there. Yeah. They totally just threw that in there. Because I'm like, I don't think that would be... Yeah, they just threw that in there. It's probably part of like all the cute little coupons they give you. But yeah, these are so amazing. Oh, my nose is itching. Sorry, y'all. Okay. So yeah, so those are all the amazing items that I received this is my winter box for Fab Fit Fun. So let's see how many items I received because I totally stopped counting. So I have 1, 2, 3, this is 4, 5, 6, 7, and the ceramic mugs make 8. So I received 8 items in my winter box for FabFitFun. So I think you guys should totally check them out if you haven't already. Like I said, it's like it is a seasonal box, so you receive it each season. The cost of it is $49.99, so it's not a monthly fee of $49.99, but you only have to pay the $49.99 for each season. So yeah, as you can see, I received some amazing things. I totally think you all should check them out. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you leave me a comment. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell, and I will see you all in my very next video. Bye.